All right, drink we're about to make is called Schwartzy. And let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass here. And we'll measure out 2 ounces of, or actually just 1 ounce of peach schnapps. And follow that up with 1 ounce of Southern Comfort. And next we'll add 6 ounces of orange juice, or whatever you have left. Just leave a little bit of room at the top for a splash of pineapple juice. All right. Go ahead and grab your shaker and just pour it back and forth a couple times. That'll get everything mixed together. And go ahead and pour it in. We'll garnish that with an orange and a cherry. Add a straw, and bottoms up.